Hi guys, so today I'm gonna bake some chocolate brownies with a Singer tabletop oven. So if you're a home baker, this would be the ideal oven for you to try out new recipes. So I'm gonna start off by preheating the oven and preparing the baking tray to bake the brownies. Now I'm gonna add the butter into a bowl and the sugar. Give it a good mix. Next we are gonna add the eggs one at a time. Now I'm going to add the vanilla to our batter. I'm going to add the baking powder to the flour and a pinch of salt. Mix it well. Now we're going to add the flour little by little. We're going to add the cocoa powder to our batter. So this should be the consistency of the batter. And finally, we're going to add some chocolate chips. Okay, so now I'm going to pour the batter to our baking tray. So you can bake the brownie for about 25 to 30 minutes. So here's our chocolate brownie. You can serve it with chocolate sauce or vanilla ice cream, anything as you prefer. Enjoy!